Its accessories include a trailer towing package, tinted windows and 17-inch steel wheels. And for your enjoyment and convenience, this vehicle comes with satellite radio, a trip computer and a computer that displays the vehicle's average fuel consumption and its range, based on its remaining fuel. This 3500 has comfortable khaki leather bucket seats, and for the safety of you and your passengers, this vehicle has also been equipped with child safety locks, a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system and 4 ventilated disc brakes. Please contact our professional sales staff today to schedule a test drive.